Question number 1. Who is the father of geometry? Option A. Aristotle. Option B. Euclid. Option C. Pythagoras. Option D. Kepler. Option B. Euclid is the answer. Question number 2. Who was known as Iron Man of India? Option A. Govind Ballabh Pant. Option B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Option C. Subhash Chandra Bose. Option D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Option D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is the answer. Question number 3. Professor Amartya Sen is famous in which of the fields? Option A. Biochemistry. Option B. Electronics. Option C. Economics. Option D. Geology. Option C. Economics is the answer. Question number 4. Which of the following was Satyajit Ray associated with? Option A. Classical music. Option B. Commercial art. Option C. Film direction. Option D. Classical dance. Option C. Film direction is the answer. Question number 5. Which of the following fields A. Nageshwar Rao is associated with? Option A. Sports. Option B. Literature. Option C. Motion pictures. Option D. Politics. Option C. Motion pictures is the answer. Question number 6. Jamini Roy was a famous Option A. Painter. Option B. Producer. Option C. Actor. Option D. Dancer. Option A. Painter is the answer. Question number 7. R.K. Lakshman is a renowned Option A. Dance master. Option B. Writer. Option C. Cartoonist. Option D. Journalist. Option C. Cartoonist is the answer. Question number 8. The first woman in space was Option A. Valentina Tereshkova. Option B. Sally Ride. Option C. Nadia Comenci. Option D. Tamara Press. Option A. Valentina Tereshkova is the answer. Question number 9. Samantha Fox is associated with Option A. Politics. Option B. Pop music. Option C. Journalism. Option D. Sports. Option B. Pop music is the answer. Question number 10. Who is the flying Sikh of India? Option A. Mohinder Singh. Option B. Joginder Singh. Option C. Ajit Pal Singh. Option D. Milkha Singh. Option D. Milkha Singh is the answer. Question number 11. Bismillah Khan was associated with Option A. Sarod. Option B. Shehnai. Option C. Flute. Option D. Tabla. Option B. Shehnai is the answer. Question number 12. Who is Tania Sachdev? Option A. Chess player. Option B. Cricketer. Option C. Actress. Option D. Dancer. Option A. Chess player is the answer. Question number 13. Who is known as the lady with the lamp? Option A, Florence Nightingale. Option B, Sarojini Naidu. Option C, Indira Gandhi. Option D, Joan of Arc. Option A, Florence Nightingale is the answer. Question number 14. Michael Jackson is a distinguished person in the field of option A, pop music, option B, journalism, option C, sports, option D, active. Option A, pop music is the answer. Question number 15. Who is Larry Pressler? Option A, politician. Option B, painter. Option C, actor. Option D, tennis player. Option A, politician is the answer. Question number 16. The title of Sparrow given to option A, Napoleon. Option B, Major General Rajinder Singh. Option C, T.T. Krishnamachari. Option D, Sardar Vallabhai Patel. Option B, Major General Rajinder Singh is the answer. Question number 17. Who is known as Indian Bismarck? Option A, Kamaraj. Option B, Sardar Vallabhai Patel. Option C, Nehru. Option D, Rajaji. Option B, Sardar Vallabhai Patel is the answer. Question number 18. Hari Prasad Chaurasia is a renowned player of option A, sitar, option B, flute, option C, tabla, option D, sarod. Option B, flute is the answer. Question number 19. Graham Greene was associated with which of the fields? Option A, sports. Option B, science. Option C, paintings. Option D, literature. Option D, literature is the answer. Question number 20. Miss Universe 1994. Miss Sushmita Sen hails from which of the following cities? Option A, Mumbai. Option B, Chandigarh. Option C, New Delhi. Option D, Bangalore. Option C, New Delhi is the answer. Question number 21. Who is the famous sarod player? Option A, Hari Prasad. Option B, Zakir Hussain. Option C, Ram Narayan. Option D, Amjad Ali Khan. Option D, Amjad Ali Khan is the answer. Question number 22. Pandit Jasraj has established his reputation in which of the following fields? Option A, music. Option B, literature. Option C, Sanskrit. Option D, dance. Option A, music is the answer. Question number 23. Who declared that his ultimate aim was to wipe every tear from every eye? Option A, Rajendra Prasad. Option B, Sardar Vallabhai Patel. Option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option D, Mahatma Gandhi ji. Option C, Jawaharlal Nehru is the answer. Question number 24. Ashok Pandit is known for his outstanding performance in which field? Option A, wrestling. Option B, kabaddi. Option C, shooting. Option D, swimming. Option C, shooting is the answer. Question number 25. Miss Vijaya Mehta has earned distinction in which of the field? Option A, theatre. Option B, film direction. Option C, classical dance. Option D, journalism. Option A, theatre is the answer.